Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing again? This is kind of turning into a regular occurrence. I've been filming videos in the morning, doing unbagging, so it's kind of like we're getting together to share a meal. Kind of cool, huh? Breaking bread with my viewers. This is awesome. But still, as you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on, yeah, we're going to take a look at another adventure meal from Mountain House. Today, they're biscuits and gravy. Whew. Talk about a staple of everybody's breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you're down south, I mean, my God, don't you have weddings with like a biscuits and gravy fountain? Just saying. Jealous of you guys. Now, Mountain House to me has always been one of those pinnacle, like the king of freeze-dried, prepper food, survival food, backpackers food, that kind of stuff. They make incredible meals that are really, really easy to heat up and prepare. Now, what do we have here? It's really, really simple. Basically, you tear the top notch, add 1.5 cups of boiling water, close the bag, and let sit for like 9 minutes. You can, optionally, if you want to, after 5, open the bag, stir it around, let it sit another 4. I have always just let the bag sit and simmer, and we go from there. These meals have a nuclear shelf life. I mean, seriously. What do we have here? March 2051. I mean, my God, I don't want to be around by then. I don't. Maybe I do. My kids will be grown up and moved out. I mean, I'll be in my 80s, but hey, what's more gray in the beard, right? So, for those of you like seeing the nutritional facts, there you go. Now, Mountain House is made out of Albany, Oregon. They've been around for a very long time. I think it's like 30 plus years. And like I said, to me, they are kind of like the king. I mean, between them and Backpacker's Pantry, and I do have some of their stuff coming to the channel, so don't worry. And for those of you out there who are have gluten allergies, I found a couple companies, and I'm trying to talk with them because, I'll be honest, I just want the one that's gluten-free. I don't want your whole complete kit. I just want that one. But still. Now, let's get into the fun part, okay? As of Friday, September 2nd, 2022, currently on Amazon, it is $7.97. Now, they say free Prime delivery, but we're talking Prime, okay? And I love their caveat. It says usually ships within 7 days. The one huge thing I like about this stuff is if you have SNAP benefits or EBT benefits or whatever you're calling it, you can purchase these with your EBT card. It is not hot food. It's not prepared food. It falls under that neat little guideline. So if you come into a pinch, there you go. Now, it says two servings per packet, but that's just like one man size. I mean, to me, it's like one normal person size. It really, truly is. I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like on the inside for those of you who have never seen one. You guys who have seen these before, yeah, this ain't going to be nothing new to you. I mean, it's really, truly not. And of course, I can never get these things to tear properly. I never can. Alright. Yeah, right. Now, the one thing you really want to do is find that silica pack, which basically keeps the moisture out and sucks it all up so your freeze-dried stuff isn't making itself on the inside. You can, if it's like buried in the bottom, you can boil it up and, make your meal with it, but you want to fish it out. I don't care what anybody suggests on the internet. Don't eat this stuff. There are some weird, sick people out there who love posting in Reddit forums dumb, stupid shit. Don't eat it. But like I said, there is the inside. If you guys have never seen the inside, it's going to look radically different here in just a little bit. Okay, now, you guys don't want to watch water boil and the bag sitting for 9 minutes, so I'm going to hit pause on this video, and we're going to come back when I've got it in the bowl so I can show you what it looks like. So be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. And yeah, I don't know. Can you see that steam wafting up there? It is fresh out of the bag. Now, I can't remember if I said this before or not, but when you're actually mixing your bag up, make sure you're scraping along the sides of each pack, because sometimes like that little freeze-dried stuff for the gravy likes to break down over there, and yeah. So, this is how it looks. Now, I'm going to tell you straight out, by first looking at it, the gravy looks a lot better than that other bag meal that I brought to the channel, where it looked like it was swimming in soup. Now, I mean, okay, it's got a bit more consistency to me for the gravy, but still. All right, well, like I've always said in all the other videos, was Alvin Lung, the demon chef of Canada, always goes, taste is king. Well, let's get into our taste testing on this one. I am really curious because you guys know the crunchy effect that I've had with the other bread products that have been in other ones. So we're going to go with mostly biscuits in this one, okay? Oh, Lord. Let's please make this good. Right off the bat. Maybe I need to let it sit a little longer because, like, part of it was okay. Other part of it, you got the crunch. Now, while I understand the crunch is okay, still edible, especially when you're in the backcountry and you're hungry as fuck. You're not going to care about that. But still, it's a personal pet peeve of mine. When I'm biting into a biscuit, I don't want to hear crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch the whole time. I don't. Just me, okay? Alright, we got some sausage and biscuits in this one. Sausage was really good. Really chewy, like it's supposed to be. It's okay. We usually do 3. Come on. The monsters are arising from their little coffins. Ah. But like I said, we usually do 3, so let's go for a 3rd, okay? Big help of both biscuits and there's some sausage in there, so let's see what we get. Okay, so maybe I just gotta let it sit longer because, like I said, I'm still getting the sausage part's great. It's chewy, it's wonderful, it tastes like sausage to taste. The biscuits are kind of half and half. Seriously, it's an okay biscuit drowned in gravy, and then you're like crunch, 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 crunch. But all right, let's move this off to the side so we can do the fun stuff here. Yeah, I think it's a great choice. I think it's a wonderful lightweight companion for your whatever bag you're making. I think that if you're really, really lazy or it's a great drunk snack, like I've never really done that before, guilty, it'll be okay in a pinch. I don't know. This is the fun part of the video for me. Seriously, it really is. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. All that fun stuff right down below. Have you used this one before? The sausage and biscuits from Mountain House. Do you like it? Have you had successes with it? Have you had failures with it? Leave me those comments down below. So let's get a good conversation going for those people out there who haven't tried it yet. Now, you old pros, I know I'm preaching to the choir on some stuff, okay? But I really look forward to your comments. I really, truly do. It is my favorite part of every single video, seeing what people come up with. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It only shows love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But there we go, guys. My quick unbagging and making of Mountain House's sausages and biscuits with gravy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a safe day today, having a great day today, and I'll see all of you either in the backcountry or in our very next video.